Cecilia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees. I'm begging you, please, to come home. Cecilia.
Well, we were at a meeting of volunteers for United Way, and we were trying to think of how we could get some of our medical community more engaged with United Way. And this volunteer mentioned that, you know, there are a lot of doctors who aren't golfers. They're not out on the golf course on Wednesdays, but they're actually in their garage. They've got a band. They've got all this great musical equipment. They're very musically talented. And we realized that, you know, there's a great connection between the mindset, the mental abilities of a doctor, and how often that equates to somebody who's musically talented as well.
I've been to every show. Now my role is I need to show up because I'm president of the organization. On a few of the evenings I've had a part in talking to people about United Way. But by and large, Michael Gaffney does the emceeing and the production, and the incredible talent of our medical groups that perform makes it hard to narrow it down to the 10 or so acts that we can put on stage in a reasonable amount of time.
Well, Docs Who Rock is actually it's a phenomenal experience. I hadn't really known what to expect, but the music is just great. Seeing your doctors out there performing, being outside of their work experience is just something that you don't expect to see, but you really, really enjoy it. The music is just great.